Hello from wherever you are. So this beautiful morning I'm heading out to Novi Sad. It is a place that I've always wanted to go to, and yes, I'm beginning my journey. I'm heading to the train station and I will catch you guys shortly. Hope you enjoy today's vlog. Catch you later. Alright, so just a quick glimpse of where I'm headed, yeah? So Novi Sad is the second largest city in Serbia, of course after Belgrade, which is the capital city. And this city is lying on the banks of the Danube River, and it actually, this city faces the northern slopes of Fruška Gora, and it is the fifth largest of all cities on the Danube River. Unmatched, yeah? Yeah, and it actually is the largest Danube city that is not the capital of an independent state, so you can only imagine what I'm talking about or where I'm headed. So I'm kind of excited, yeah. Yes, and indeed I am in Novi Sad at the train station. Where to go, I have to find out. But are you guys not loving this weather? Ooh. I'm just happy because 2 days ago while in Belgrade it was really hot. Really cold, windy, but now it's super warm and I love it. So I'll just buy some water and head out. So I'm trying to find how I can get a bus to the center, or I should walk. I don't know. I'm a little bit confused, but I think I'll find out because this information center right here is closed. Today is on a Sunday, so I'll figure it out. So I eventually stumbled upon this cafe. I wanted to come here, but I didn't know I was just that close. Now, problem is I don't know how to pronounce it. Is it Chika? We'll figure out just now, but I love this weather. Man, this city. I wish I came here before, and I love this building. It's really cute, yeah? Time for coffee, and it's a boost for this morning to wake up and start my journey in Novi Sad. And guess what? I'm in this fantastic restaurant and it's giving some good vibes. Cheers, guys. Okay, time for me to shop a little. Let's see what they have got to offer. Finally, I ended up in the Liberty Square, and I just came to realize this, the name of this cathedral right here is called Name of Mary Catholic Church. Quite interesting, and it's a Sunday, so let's go and see whether they are open. And I am so certain you're gonna like it inside. I'm gonna love it too. Do you know what? I'm so happy that whoever suggested me to go or to come to Novi Sad was actually right. I love this square. I love this place. The people are nice and warm. That is the beauty about it. There is the big man. So this happens to be the street full of bars and nightclubs. I think the nightlife here is nicer.
Rewind, come again.
chamomile is gorgeous. So I'm walking all the way down to the bridge. I'm gonna cross the Danube River and go to the other side where the fortress is. I wanna go to the drunk clock. It's not so close, but it's a little bit of workout, so I want to be sure to experience everything before I step out. I'm about to show you something magnificent. I'm mind blown. Look at that view. Lots of tourists around. I of course bought another magnet from here, and the drunk clock is here. I'll show you the right side. With lunch, and I am happy that restaurant had some good meal. Now it's time to burn some calories and go down these steps and go back to the city. Oh guys, now I'm going back to the train station because I need to go back to Belgrade. Thank you. But now I'm certainly gonna come back to Novi Sad. I love it. I love it. I didn't get much time to explore everywhere, but that is a good reason for me to come back. So let me rush. My train leaves in 10 minutes. We made it to the train station. There is an upper deck. Gorgeous. It is so hot. There is no AC. Nothing. Oh my God. Finally here. Guys, I am done for the day. Back to Belgrade and reset, you know, back to factory settings. That's how we say usually. So it was really a great journey. I am so glad that somebody told me to experience a different city, which I did. I don't take it for granted, and I have to come back for sure, this without a doubt. So guys, thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, thanks for enjoying the day with me. Until next time, stay safe. Adios.
Nena.